123 and 71. The 11th row 137 and 149. 137 and 149. 12th row 361 and 75. 361 and 75. 13th row is 151 and 153. 151 and 153. 14th row is 88 and 311. 88 311. 15th row is 228 and 47. 228 and 47. On his own at the back is 78, Roland Bradley down at the back, so he should be quick. 78 on his own at the back. Car 141 has been withdrawn. Josh, what you got?
I had contact about the Bradley car. Apparently they've got a new gearbox in that, making its debut this year, so whether that's not gone quite to plan this morning. I don't think we're going to get anyone down. There's lots of people walking from up there, but I think they're all from the collecting area rather than drivers. Especially how quickly, but I think we're going to get on with things today. I think it's looking quite unlikely. I think these cars are going to get 2 green flag laps, from what I understood.
So this is the Edmondson Electrical Classic Thunder Championship. Jason West having won both the Silverstone rounds at the end of March and being pretty dominant in qualifying this morning, because in the end, though, he was for a lot of it, but in the end he only finished just fractions of a second ahead of Brian Branson in the 126, so this will be interesting, these two, to see what they can produce, but it will be a rolling start, this, which is why they're lined up in echelons on the grid, and as Josh said, probably 2 green flag laps, but basically a rolling start rather than standing one for the Edmondson Electrical Classic and Historic Thunder Saloons. This is the flagship of the CTCLC. These are the fastest cars that we'll see in terms of their portfolio this weekend. And I think they're all there.
Certainly a lot of power on this grid, isn't there?
Yeah.
With few V8s and lots of 6-cylinder cars.
Yeah, and all 31 of theirs. So the underscore sign writing there on the 76, that is the car of Jason West. Next to him is Brian Branson in the orange BMW with the black roof. Then in the very fetching, I don't know what that is, not turquoise, Chaz Sapra in number 240, and then Rob Burley in the number 44. Another 15-minute race. As I say, Jason West was the winner of both the rounds at Silverstone, so he is the man on form at the moment. They do indeed get the flag up and down. first 2 rows, and then an Audi and a Ford Escort. And wonderful Aston Martin in the Golf colours, the pale blue and orange stripe. Sam Wilson. This is in your program. If you have a program, it does say that Ricky Can, the car's owner, will be driving that as well, but in fact he's not. Sam Wilson is going to drive both days. So the red lights have come on now, which is normal procedure for a rolling start. The pace car will duck into the pit lane, and then basically Jason West will be in charge as they roll up to the red lights, which will go out, and they do, and now they are away. The 2 BMWs head towards the front, Jason leaves in room, that was region, but accelerates, so Brian can't actually get past him. Jason's leaving room to race on the straight way. Branson, Sapper, Burnley, Harding in the Escort is up to 5th place. Which is always a good sign, but it is Jason West in the lead in this 76 BMW as they come across the line first time in this 15-minute race.
A bit of smoke that came out of Brian Branson's car, and some debris as well as he headed into paddock your bed. What was that speed from? That'll go down well, I'm sure. So Rod Burnley faces the wrong way, Malcolm Marshall, sorry, 2 short racers getting together. So that means I'll be in the 4th position, a couple of forward, and a Sam Wilson and Abby Eaton in 6th position. But Rod Burnley has he got the car back going? No, he's in the ground up at Druid.
Disaster there for Rod. So many times in his career, so many times in the Brands Hatch.
Safety car to the medium right. So Malcolm Hardy did get back going, but lost about 3 positions, I think. Oh, and there's cars very, very, very slow coming out of Clark Curve. And hopefully everybody got on fire, I think. There's another stock hit on fire, I'm afraid. Driver testing out in a rush, as you can imagine. That is properly alive.
Right, well, yes. That's going to be difficult to handle. Finally there. And the driver is out.
Flag.
Flag has been shown because obviously there's smoke and everything else drifting across the track. So which one did you recommend?
Come through. Collier, I think 223. One of the silhouettes, but that I'm not seen the car go up in flames quite like that has. It has absolutely enlightened. Driver absolutely fine. He's out of the car, that's the main thing, and everybody else avoided him because he had to stop obviously quickly to get out. But very much understandably red flag down. It's a very awkward place for the marshals to get to the fire extinguishers because it's right against the pit wall and quite high the pit wall is there as well, so you can't really get off of the pit wall. So the fire truck has been let out.
It's Peugeot 205, isn't it, basically, or that car?
You know, I think it's one of the silhouette cars, which is quite rare for something like that to happen. Yeah. And now the fire truck's there as well. But,
yeah, so the fire truck's appearing, and hopefully we'll be able to get this fire under control very shortly. So the Brands Hatch fire truck there. Marshals, of course, have extinguishers and normally put powder on it first to douse the flames and then foam or water to seal it, but foam to seal it, but certainly that kept burning for a bit. Yes, it absolutely erupted from the bonnet, from the front of the car. The driver got himself out through the driver's side very speedily, and then the marshals come along with fire extinguishers again, pretty speedily there.
Yeah, they're on the scene really quickly, considering how
Well,
where
certainly,
they were.
if that happened to you on a motorway, you would not be so happy. But now the driver, the marshals are squirting it with the phone. We've all had fire training here at Brands, in fact, towards the end of February, and putting that training into practice.
If we can have a look at the incident between Rod Burley and Malcolm Harding. So Malcolm Harding was going down the inside and ended up getting into the side of Rod Burley, who then just rolled into the gravel trap. But what happened, it was probably a good job the safety car was coming out. So this is going to be a bit of a delay then, therefore.
Cars all stopped on the clearways loop.